Alright, so y'all want a sneaker cleaning? I got you, Keisha. Check this out. My daughter wore these in the rain. Look at the bottom of this dang on shoe. Why you gonna wear white shoes in the rain? No, you can't see. I gotta clean them. Alright, so this is what I use. First off, for the bottom of the shoe, hit that OxyClean. OxyClean, you better hit me up with the 1, 2. Hit your boy. For the main part of the shoe, I use this stuff. Got this right here off of Amazon. Fire. All you do is wipe it on. Spray it on this little brush here with some soap water. Wipe it off. But I'll show you. All right. So the bottom of the shoe, you got to hit that with the Oxy. So nothing but the Oxy on the bottom. You do not want to put this OxyClean on no suede, no nothing. It will take the color out of it. I'm telling you that now. Speaking for experience. All right. So I keep it on this shoe. I'm gonna get the other one. Let that sit for a little bit. For the other shoe, since Goofy wants to wear these in the rain. Oh, let's tear these bottoms up. Yes, I clean the bottom of the shoes. All right, so now you hit that thing with some hot water. I got me one of these joints right here. Dang, that joint's kind of messed up.
That's
but
what you clean
right
bathtubs with.
Yeah, but it's the hard one, like the real hard. Like look at these things, real hard. That's to hit them shoes, the bottom of them joints. All right, so get that water hot. For some reason our water is scalding hot. She on the gas. Got that gas water. That gas. All right, here we go. Yes, I hit the bottom of the shoe. So, hit that thing hard too. Make sure y'all can see. I just clean them joints, bro. Goofy wearing them. It might stain some of this. Nah, it might be alright. Hold on. Like her whole shoes be clean. And you gotta clean them every time you wear them, bro. That's how to keep these shoes clean, bro. Every time you wear these kicks, anytime you wear your kicks, you gotta clean them, bro. Because if not, it leaves stains. This one's gonna wear it, like I said, in the rain, and it's gonna leave some stains on this one. The white bottoms. Another shoes I hate wearing, cleaning, gel bottoms. Bro, they by far the worst, bro. Not even gonna cap to you. By far the worst shoe to try to clean. So, like I said, look, a little stain on there. In the rain, bro. This one, boy. I swear. By the moon and the stars, my daughter cray cray. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. All right. Definitely gonna try to get the front of that right there. But no, she do really good with her shoes. It ain't raining outside, but outside is wet. And these bottoms are white, so. All right, I'm gonna get back on that some more. I'm gonna knock these out, but I wanna get to the other part of the video. All right, so after I knock that out, because I'm gonna go hit that more and get all that stain off of there. I can't stand that. All right, so after I knock that out, because I'm gonna hit it more times, I go to this. This stuff right here. Right here. All you gotta do. It goes suede. All the kind. What is it? Suede. What's the other kind? Velvet. Leather. All of it. Couple drops, bro. That's it. Hit that joint. A little bit more. What's it called? All over the shoe. Like that. Look at that. All over the shoe. I don't care what. Hit the shoe. This stuff is fire, bro. Hit the shoe like that.
Have you ever cleaned your Crocs with that?
Man, get out of here, bro. I don't need no extra commentary, girl. Hit the whole shoe. Like that. Bro, this stuff right here, all you do is wipe it off. That's all you do with that. Oh my God. You can't beat that. The only hard part about cleaning these shoes, and once you keep up on them, it's not that bad. Is the bottoms. A lot of people don't clean the bottoms. I clean the bottoms. Man, God dog. God dog. Oh my God. And that's how you clean some shoes. So, Kenzie,
yes,
take them out. Come over here, take them out real quick.
Mentally is hard.
Just come over here and take them out with your head. Put your big old head up in here. Make sure you
like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
you won't miss out on our next video. Until the next video, peace.